Hi everyone, I'm Agnes GCG and I'm in front of you to introduce to you a very interesting science fact which is sun a fireball? Let me ask this question to you. Is sun a fireball? Is your answer yes or no? If your answer is no, you're right. And if your answer is yes, sorry, it's wrong. Don't worry, that is what we're going to learn today. And we usually get mistaken by this or tricked by this because of its appearance. You all know that oxygen is needed for burning, and we have learned that in our smaller classes. But there is no oxygen supply in space, as we can see that space travelers always carry oxygen cylinders with them. So, what is that obstacle which do not allow oxygen supply around space? It is nothing other than this glowing like feature, which is stardust or cosmic dust. As the name suggests, stardust, the dust grains of stars, which do not allow oxygen supply, is why you can say that sun is not on fire or not a fireball. Then what makes the sun feels like it's on fire? That glowing feature, that dazzling light. What is that really? Okay, do you have any guesses? Okay, now this is an entirely new process called as nuclear fusion. As the name says, nuclear fusion, fusing nuclear atom. Over here, we fuse two hydrogen atom to cause one helium atom and two helium atom cause to make another atom, and the process continues like this. This chain of this process is called as nuclear fusion, and it happens only at very special conditions like high heat and temperature. Now high heat and temperature, that means the first thing which comes in mind and the best example is sun, right? And therefore because of high heat and temperature is there, they emit this light, and there is so much heat but it's not on fire, and that's what make it dazzle and make us feel that it is on fire. Now, as you know that the sun feels it's dazzling, and the sun is not on fire, and it's a process called nuclear fusion. It grows because of nuclear fusion. Do you think all stars glow because of nuclear fusion too? Truly, the answer is yes. Stars also glow because of nuclear fusion. I hope you all liked my session and understood this topic. And thank you for listening me throughout this video. And make sure you like, share, and comment to this video and share it to others. Don't forget that, because let them also know the answer or the correct answer for it and why is it not on fire. Thank you, everyone, and bye bye.